Okay students, today is revision of quadratic equation. So see here what is quadratic equation and what are the general solution and what are the rules of nature of the rules of the quadratic equation. So see here, see ax square plus bx plus c equal 0 is called what? Quadratic equation. This is called quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. a is not equal, a कभी 0 नहीं हुआ क्योंकि अगर x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट 0 हो जाएगा तो x का स्क्वायर का टर्म 0 होगा तो क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म बन के कोई लीनियर फॉर्म बन जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज द हाईएस्ट डिग्री 2. ओके, सो never can be equal to 0 the coefficient of x square. If there is any equation of this form, so you will say this is the quadratic polynomial and it has two roots. Suppose that the roots are alpha and beta. The second one, it has two roots, say alpha and beta. If there are two roots, then what is the sum of their roots? Alpha plus beta is defined as minus b by a, means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of the roots is c by a, means constant term divided by the coefficient of x square. And how can you make the quadratic equation if the roots are given? This can be written x minus alpha into x minus beta equal 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial, and if there are two roots given, then put here alpha and beta, directly you can get the quadratic polynomial या quadratic equation. Okay, say if this is a fifth number, ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. If this is a quadratic polynomial where a is not equal to 0, अगर ये quadratic equation है, then b equal b square minus 4ac. 4ac is called discriminant. Okay, this is called discriminant, and the nature of the roots of the equation depend on the value of the discriminant. Okay students, so see what may be the value of d for the nature of the roots. So see 6. If d equals 0, अगर d equals 0 means b square minus 4ac equal 0, that is b square equal 4ac, then roots are real and equal. ठीक है, दोनों रूट सेम होंगे और इक्वल होंगे, रियल होंगे. एंड सेकेंड पार्ट, इफ d is greater than 0, if d is greater than 0, then roots are real and different. दोनों रियल होंगे बट दे विल बी ऑफ डिफरेंट रूट्स. एंड थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी, if d is less than 0, if d is less than 0, अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से लेस है, मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज निगेटिव, then the roots are distinct and imaginary. ठीक है. अगर d की वैल्यू 0 से कम होगी, मीन्स अगर d का वैल्यू निगेटिव होता है तो रूट्स जो होंगे वो डिफरेंट होंगे और इमेजिनरी होंगे. यू नो व्हाट इज इमेजिनरी? नेगेटिव नंबर ऑफ थर्ड्स इज नोन एज इमेजिनरी. ठीक है, जैसे मान लो अंडर रूट माइनस 1 इज नोन एज इमेजिनरी. तो अगर अंडर रूट माइनस 3 है तो दैट इज व्हाट? दैट इज इमेजिनरी नंबर. क्लियर? So if d will be less than 0, then definitely the roots will be imaginary and will be different. Okay, so see what are the solutions of the quadratic equation. See, if here 9 ax square plus bx plus c equal 0 and a is not equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then the discriminant formula, by discriminant formula this can be solved as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the solution of this quadratic equation. Means here see, you can see कि there are two values of x. The first one is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the second one is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here there are two solutions of this quadratic equation. See, one is minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and the second one is minus b minus b under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let us see here how can you apply in the problems these formulas. Okay, see. Here it is given कि x square minus 2x plus 1 equals 0, and the question is find the roots of the quadratic equation by using what? Discriminant formula. You know, if you will compare ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Okay, so here a equal 1, b equal minus 2 and c equal 1. This can be also done directly because you can see this is the square of x minus 1 whole square, but I have taken this because you can understand very easily how it can be applied. Okay, so a equal 1, b equal minus 2 because b is the coefficient of x is 1. So here x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just put the value minus, here is already, so here will be plus 2 plus minus under root b square का मतलब minus 2 का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 4 आ जाएगा minus 4 into a is 1, c is 1 divided by 2 into a is 1. So here 2 plus minus, this product term is 0 divided by 2. So here 2 by 2 that is equal to what? 1 plus minus 0. Plus minus 0. Why I am writing here plus minus 0? Because you know, first time you will take plus and the second time you will take minus, because this will contain, will have two roots na, because it is of a order degree 2. It has degree 2, so it will have two roots. So that's why I have written here plus minus 0, because this is the total term is 0. See here, if you will take x1 is what? X plus x1 is what? 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Or x2 is equal to 1 minus 0, again 1. So the solutions are what? X equal x1 is 1 and x2 is 1. So there are two solutions, 1 and 1. Okay, student. So that's why I have taken. So so that you can see this one very easily. And see, if this is given directly to solve this equation, then you can also do this by using like this: x square minus 2x plus 1 equal 0. So simply it can be written as x minus 1 whole square. This can be written as x minus 1 whole square, because if you will do the whole square, then we will get the required expression. And don't say equal to directly x minus 1 equal to 0. Write this into 2 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Then either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to 1 or x equal to 1. So the answer is x equal 1 comma 1. Because I have seen if d is 0, then the roots are real and equal. So here d was 0 because d square minus 4ac equal 0. I hope कि everyone is clear about these concepts. Just this was a revision of quadratic equation. So you will revise by very sincerely, and if there will be any doubt related to the quadratic equation, then you may ask. Thank you, students.